Hello students, today we will study about determiners, that is a and the. So we have already studied about determiners in the previous class, but here we will see the uses of a and the in a more descriptive way. So we will see where we will make use of a, an and the. At first we will see the uses of a, where we should make use of a. So before that we have to know about countable nouns, countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, so countable nouns are those which can be counted and uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted. For example, water. Okay, water is a noun but we cannot count it, so it is an uncountable noun. Okay, so where do we make use of a? Alright, so we make use of a before countable noun. Okay, for example, a book, a table, a chair. Alright, all these things are thing. Okay, that means it is a noun and also it is countable, so we will make use of the word a in a sentence, before the countable noun. Alright, so we have to keep in mind that we make use of a before a countable noun and also before those nouns which begins with a consonant sound. But we have to keep in mind that there are some of the countable nouns which also begins with the vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, okay, an owl, an ox. Alright, so all these things are also noun, but it begins with the vowel sound and they are also countable. So before the noun which begins with the vowel sound and is also countable, we will make use of n. Okay, and before a noun which begins with the consonant sound and is also countable, we will make use of the word a. Okay, so the word of a and n is clear. Now we will see where to use the word the. So there are several rules to follow the uses of the. Okay, so we make use of the, we make use of the before some of the holy books like the Gita, okay, the Bible, the Quran, and also you have to keep in mind that the word the is also used before the name of mountain, rivers, countries, and all these things. Okay, also there are some other rules to follow the use of the before noun. For example, she is the most prettiest girl in the class. So the word prettiest is a superlative degree, right? So whenever we make use of any superlative degree, we will also make use of the. Alright, so also when there is the plural of something, we will also make use of the word the, or the repetition of something. For example, the king has 2 sons. Alright, so this way there are several ways to make use of the before a noun. So this is how the determiners a and the are used before a noun which is countable, okay, and which begins with vowel or the consonant sounds.